So you have decided to take the IELTS exam? Congratulations! Success starts with IELTS. It's a retest for study, work and life. The IELTS speaking test is divided into 3 sections. Part 1 is Introduction and General Questions. Part 2 is the Long Turn. And Part 3 is Analytical Discussion. Here, we will take a look at the criteria for grammatical range and accuracy. You can find the remaining criteria in the subsequent videos. This criteria focuses on the range and accuracy of the candidate's grammar while speaking. The range of grammar includes a variety of complex structures. These are sentences comprising of multiple information, contrary to those that contain a single piece of information. For example, just beside the station was a stadium which was built in the 19th century where games are now held every weekend. Though the candidate does not have to be 100% accurate, control over one's speech is important. The Band 7 definition on grammatical range and accuracy says, frequently produces error-free sentences, though some grammatical mistakes persist. So it's not just the number of grammatical mistakes you make, but also how seriously these mistakes can block communication and affect overall meaning. To improve your grammar, follow these guidelines. 1. Be prepared. Make sure that you know the speaking test format and what type of questions to expect in each section. Many tasks in IELTS Part 2 speaking test relate to the past, so you most likely use the past tense. Ensure you know the past tense of common verbs. Some questions in Part 3 ask you to speculate about the future, so use the right tense to answer this part of the test. Look out for Learnomatics applications and videos. They explain the commonly used tense. 2. Practice. Particularly think about the tense you use. Ensure these relate to the questions. If the question is, what you do at work today? Here, the main word is did, which is in the past tense, so your answer should be in the past tense too. For example, today I wrote a business brief. Do not worry. If you have realized that you made a mistake, you can correct yourself. 3. Record yourself speaking and listen to identify your errors. The IELTS band score ranges from 1 to 9. However, there aren't specific questions for different band scores. Also, these scores are not the same as those assigned at the end of the speaking test. Please keep in mind that there are no quotas for IELTS band scores. Each individual is scored on their merit. Our tutors at Learnomatics are closely familiar with the exam pattern and know the required strategies that you need to improve your band score. For more information and videos, please visit us at www.learnomatics.com.